Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Luno in 2025. If you're holding USDT on Luno and ready to move it to another wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Luno account. Open the Luno app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find USDT in that list and click on it. Next, look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the USDT page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Input the recipient's wallet address accurately. Remember, USDT is often on networks like Tron or Ethereum, so double-check which network your wallet supports to avoid any errors. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and fees. Luno might charge a small fee, so check that beforehand to avoid surprises. After filling in the details, review everything carefully. Hit Confirm, and you might need to verify this through email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for security. Once confirmed, sit tight. The withdrawal could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status in the Luno app or on a blockchain explorer. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT. Always prioritize security. Only withdraw to wallets you control, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.